Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Uber app. We click on settings. Here we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.